Namaskar to everyone, and ladies and gentlemen, we welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Dharmendra Pradhanji, the Honorable Union Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Government of India, to the gathering. And pleasure also to be welcoming all of you in this very special event, which is being organized by the Maharashtra Natural Gas Limited under the patronage of the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas and under the very dynamic and visionary leadership of our Honorable Minister, Shri Dharmendra Pradhanji. May I request Shri Haldar, the Managing Director, MNGL, for his words of welcome and also to apprise us what these major launches are and their key benefits. So over to Shri Haldar.
On behalf of the entire MNGL team, I welcome you all to this momentous occasion of inaugurating and dedicating the 100th CNG station to the service of our country and the community at the hands of the Honorable Minister, sir. MNGL has recently awarded a state-of-the-art and first of its kind mobile refueling unit that will facilitate the supply of CNG to areas where there is no pipeline connectivity. I take this opportunity to once again thank our Honorable Minister, sir, Secretary, Joint Secretary, all stakeholders and all present here. And I also seek your continuous support in fueling the growth of MNGL and our country in the years ahead. Dhanyavad.
Now I request respected Secretary, PNG, Shri Tarun Kapoorji, for his insights.
Ladies and gentlemen, I congratulate the achievement of Mahanagar Gas Limited for reaching 100 CNG stations and also for various other achievements like getting into LNG, then commencement of supply of CNG to buses, and also mobile refilling units. So these are all very good achievements and absolute priorities set by the Honorable Minister to take the country forward in more and more use of natural gas in the country. So my good wishes to the entire team, to the Managing Director and entire team of Mahanagar Gas and to all the officers and all the employees. And we look forward to more such achievements in the future. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, we now present you the film on MNGL.
Pune, one of the most dynamic cities of India, the Oxford of the East, and home to 1 billion lives, dreaming, aspiring, and in search for a better tomorrow. And today, as we all stand here at the precipice of promising developments for the future of Pune, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan will inaugurate and dedicate 5 new CNG stations to the nation.
And we'd like to request our Honorable Minister to please launch these initiatives of MNGL by unveiling the digital flags. Requesting Shri Dharmendra Pradhanji. May I request Honorable Minister Sir, Shri Dharmendra Pradhanji, for his address.
आज ये योजना बनाई गई MNGL के 100th CNG स्टेशंस को लोकार्पण किया जाए। भारत सरकार ने योजना बनाई है देश में ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में क्लीनर फ्यूल पहुंचाए और वो सस्ता भी हो, इसलिए LNG को देश में ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फ्यूल लाने के लिए एक नीति इन दिनों में सरकार ने बनाई है। उसी के तहत आज नासिक में भी एक LNG स्टेशन और LCNG स्टेशन का भी फाउंडेशन स्टोन दिया गया। MNGL पहला कंपनी होगा जो MRU को बाजार में ले आया, इसलिए आज MNGL की प्रवास में जर्निंग में आज एक इम्पोर्टेंट तिथि हो जाएगी, जिसमें 100 CNG स्टेशन देश में आज की तिथि में इसको मिला के 2500 CNG स्टेशन हो गया है। 10,000 CNG स्टेशन आने वाले 5-7 साल में पूरा करने की लक्ष्य है। ऐसे ही एनर्जी रिटेलिंग में भी आप एक बेंचमार्क खड़ा करो, यही मेरा शुभेच्छा है। प्रधानमंत्री जी कमिटेड है देश में आत्मनिर्भरता बढ़ाने के लिए। हमें सारे काम आत्मनिर्भर भारत की ओर एक बड़ी कदम होने वाला है। मैं आज के अवसर पे फिर MNGL को अनेक शुभेच्छा देता हूं, बधाई देता हूं। नमस्कार।
अब मैं अनुरोध करती हूँ श्री संतोष सोनटके, डायरेक्टर कमर्शियल MNGL से, कि वे धन्यवाद प्रस्ताव रखें।
I, on behalf of Maharashtra National Gas Limited, extend hearty thanks to all of you for sparing your valuable time for gracing today's event. We are thankful to the state and central authorities, PESO, local administration for extending cooperation and support to MNGL in making Pune, Nasik, Sindhudurg and Ramnagar district clean and green. Lastly, I would like to thank all the stakeholders, organizers, media persons who have worked with dedications to make this program a great success. I express my gratitude to all of you.
Thank you, sir. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we draw curtains to this event. Thank you for your participation.